Hello folks, this is Ian from StableMaster with another explainer video, and in this particular video we're going to be looking at customer credit management and how we can use the wallet balance to pay for products and also to help us bill in advance should we need to. So first thing we need to do is just find a customer. So into customers, and for the purposes of this this particular video, we're going to use Fred as our test case. So let's have a quick look at Fred's details in terms of his existing credit management. So as you can see down here, you go into the customer record, scroll down to the bottom, you can see what the status of their account is. So what we're going to do is go ahead and add a deposit of £100, which came in via credit card, and for the purposes of all of Fred's lessons for January. So every transaction in the system is auditable. So as I'm going in now and creating this credit on Fred's account, the system's logging that, and so should you ever need to dig in and work out where payments have if payments have gone awry, or there's any kind of a problem on your finance side, you can go into the system and look at who's created which transactions. So January lessons, credit, there we go, and save that. Okay, so let's go back to Fred's record now, and as you can see, just refresh that. Fred's balance is now £100 for his January lessons. Okay, so let's go ahead now and assign Fred to a lesson. Let's just find a lesson in the next in the upcoming months. Okay, there aren't any, so let's just let's create a quick lesson for tomorrow, 10 AM. Create a new lesson, 1 hour lesson. I'll be instructing it, and we'll be in the indoor arena. Save that. Okay, and let's add Fred to that lesson now. So there's Fred. Let's give him a horse. Sign him. Okay, great. And just confirm that away, and away we go. So now that lesson is now in the calendar. Let's just evidence that. Tomorrow. There it is. Okay, so double click on that. Let's view the lesson. What I want to do now is so we're doing a time hop forward. Fred's attended the lesson and the lesson is completed. Let's raise an invoice, and there it is, invoice 1037 generated for Fred. Let's go in and have a look at that invoice, and based on the detail around the configuration for that particular lesson, as you can see, Fred now owes us £21 or 21 pence in this but this is all test data, so it's, you'll just have to forgive me for the unrealistic figures there. But also, as part of that lesson, Fred had another he bought a branded sweater. Okay, and he bought one, and they are £15 each. So we're going to add that to Fred's invoice, and there it is. Okay, so let's go ahead now and use Fred's credit balance to actually pay for this. So that's £15.21 due, and then what we need to do is dig down to here and add a new payment. Okay, and how did he pay? He paid on account, and he paid the overall cost, and we'll save that. Okay, and as you can see now, the invoice is updated, and we'll just complete that invoice now because Fred's paid, and we're taking the money directly out from his wallet balance. So complete that out. There we go, and all done and dusted. We are going to add an email button here at some point very shortly, but at the moment you can just print that out and send it as an attachment should you wish to. And as you can see here now, Fred's wallet balance is £84.79. So that's effectively how the wallet balance works. You can get a report out of everybody's the status of everybody's wallet balance by going to settings, reports, credit management, and then this will give you a view of the of all of the transactions around the wallet for all of your customers that have occurred. Okay, so hopefully you found that useful. and I'll be back shortly with another explainer video. Thanks very much for listening. Cheers now. Bye.